Hi, it's Kelly Donahue Piro here, and we're talking about family based agencies today. So, if you're anything like my family, working and just literally getting Thanksgiving dinner together is incredibly hard. So, for all of you family based businesses out there, I completely championing you because I don't know if I could do it. But the reality is, in this blog, we're going to really break down the different stakeholders and how it's important to them. A lot of times we can think about our own feelings, our own emotions, and that can be really challenging. The one thing I want you to pay attention to is that there's a secret stakeholder in every family based business, and that is the spouse, the person that you go home to every night, that is also a member of the family. Now, they don't get to see all the day to day operations, everything that's going on. Instead, what happens is something much more dramatic. They hear all the negativity. Instead, what I want you to do is really put yourself into the other person's shoes as you're reading this blog. Let us know what you think. If you're a family based business, tell us more. If you're struggling in your family based business, think about our agency assessment. It's a great opportunity to get some of that stuff to the surface and build a great plan. But for all of you out there that are championing the family based business, my hat's off to you because I'm telling you, I couldn't personally do it, but I love working with them. So if this is your new year and it's your time, let's take a look at how to make your family based business the legacy that you hope it can be.